doing it wrong. That's not how it's supposed to be. The final product of this assembly line has to be properly done. Let me show you how. So, first of all, we have to know how to make a car. Basically, we start with having all the car parts and the machinery that we are going to use. Next, well, the design, that's not our task, it's more from the designers. Then we have to make clay molding and the interior design. And also we have to make sure that we have a full study of how it's going to be made and manufactured. And well, after all these parts are assembled, the test molding is what's going to be followed. And then final supplies, and then we can initiate the whole production with the other cars. Now, as we all know, in the production we have a mistake in the last part of the car, and for that I bring an expert to... Hello, Mr. Manolo.
Mr. Delgado.
Yes, so he's Manolo, and he's the one that's gonna explain what happened in the assembly line. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so first you put the wheels correctly. The problem was that you put the doors instead of putting the car body before. So we should put the car body first, and then you will put the doors, and then also you mistakenly put the hood. We will correct that by her putting the doors after the car body, and then you will put the hood when it goes to, and then the assembly line will go correctly, and we will start mass production, and we will become number one in the assembly line.
Assembly lines are designed for the sequential organization of workers, machines, and parts. These lines are common methods of assembling complex items such as cars, transportation equipment, and electronic goods. During this activity, I learned that it's really important to know all the steps of the assembly line in order to be more efficient.
Thanks to this activity, I've noticed the importance of having a leader, someone to motivate you to do a better work, to help you through all the problems you may encounter, to guide you to be and do a better work, and to be a companion through all the stages of the process.
Before the assembly line was ever created, it took many workers over 12 hours of hard labor to create and produce and manufacture a product. And since it was created to this day, is still used as the main form of manufacturing and is a big factor in commerce around the globe. It allows vehicles to be produced at less expensively for both the consumer and customer and the company, as well as it saves many time and money.
What I learned about an assembly line is that you always have to have a procedure to follow when you are trying to do whatever you want. I think a good organization like the one that an assembly line has will help my life very much.
Today I learned how to work with my colleagues, as well as perfecting the assembly line and producing a car that works. And I think we did a really good job at it, and I hope we continue like that.